Okay, student, welcome to Collegiate Education. So, I am Ramamurthy, Assistant Professor in Commerce Government Postgrad College, Mudigiri. Student, today we discuss about the business law in concern with the BBM third semester. Okay, you know the law. Law means so rules and regulation implemented in the any circumstances. So today we will discuss. So today we will discuss about the business law, under which introduction, nature of law, meaning and definition. So you can recall when this law from banking and insurance of the third semester, when you study in the third semester, under which banking and insurance, you can agreement of the insurance or opening accounting of the bank, they can rules and regulation implemented. So you can recall, and also the business economics. So you can acquire the knowledge from the such subject. Okay, so especially you can learn this subject to what are the problem existing in the law and how to solve this. Especially this session for you can solve to you analyze the what are the legal problem and how to solve them. In this session you can learn. Okay, so introduction. So man is a social animal. Okay, we're not living lonely. You can combine together or mingle to each other. He cannot living in isolation. He has a number of wants and seek to satisfy them in association with his fellow men. Although he may find that through cooperation it is easier for him to make a living and better living too. His interests are bound to conflict with those of the other members of the society. Therefore, man shows his inclination to subject himself consciously or unconsciously to some form of control. Law as those being one of the most effective instrument of the control from the earliest time, and as such law as mankind. Nature of law. So under which you can knowledge, what are the knowledge of law? You know, it is not possible for a person to know all the law of his own country. A layman cannot know all the law of the country. There are different departments of the country, so he cannot know all the department or all the law. But he will not execute on the ground of ignorance of law. It means the common man know a common law of the country. So that is, ignorance of law is not excused. Therefore, essential for everyone to know general principle of the law of his own country. Meaning of business law. Business law is also called as mercantile law. Mercantile law means a businessman or business is that branch of legal system which regulate the business activities. So implement of rules and regulation business. So how to rules and how to implement how to control the business means to stop the illegal business, to stop the smuggling goods. In such a way you can regulate the business activities in the country. Definition of business law. Business law is that the portion of the legal system which guarantees an orderly conduct of business affairs and the settlement of the legitimate dispute in a just manner. So business law establishes a set of the rules and prescribes conducted that enable us to avoid misunderstanding and injury in our business relationship. Okay, these are the major few meaning and definition of the business law. So you can further know the further about the business law. You can please contact the website at youtube.com or also video link, and also I refer the business law BS Raman and business law Dr. Alice Money. So already you give the MCQ. No MCQ. So you can study the MCQ. The Indian Contract Act 1872 is divided into dash chapter. You can answer that one. The law contract is nothing but a child of commercial dealing, a child of religion, a child of day-to-day politicals, a child economic. The Contract Act come into force. Their option is 4. You can see and choose the right answer. The Contract Act applied to. This also given the 4 option. You can select the right one answer. An Indian mercantile law is based upon, and also this given the 4 choice. You can select the correct answer. And any agreement consists of reciprocal promises between at least. There are 4 options given. Select the any one of the suitable answer. Contractual right and duties are created by. You can select the right answer. In India, the provisions of the Contract Act applied to. They given the 4 answers. You can select the which is best one. And who said contract is agreement creating and defining obligation between the parties. You can select the answer. Then agreement is defined in the section dash of the Indian Contract Act. You can select the best answer. Okay, all the best of. Okay, you can see the next session of the slide. Okay.